Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Swami, lecturer in botany, KRK Government Degree College, Addanki, Prakasam District. Today, I would like to discuss mushroom cultivation, a brief notes on mushroom cultivation. In this session, I am going to discuss mushroom cultivation, importance of button mushroom, and food value of button mushroom and other cultivated varieties, poisonous mushroom varieties, and the overall view of mushroom cultivation. As you know, mushrooms are fungi. Fungi is a separate kingdom. Everyone knows plant kingdom, animal kingdom, but fungi are different from plants and animals. Fungi, achlorophyllous heterotrophic organisms, they unable to synthesize food materials due to the lack of chlorophyll. Hence, mushrooms, mushrooms nothing but fungi, fungi nothing but mushrooms. In this session, I focus on button mushrooms, the importance of button mushrooms. Why we need to cultivate mushroom cultivation, especially button mushrooms. Nowadays, day by day, population is growing, land resources are declining. In order to growing people, population size increases day by day, we unable to meet balance diet to the entire population across the world. To overcome this, mushroom are cultivating across the world, especially button mushrooms. Now, button mushroom is edible mushroom all over the world. It is native to Europe and North America. In India, its production is almost throughout the year due to the establishment of research institutes. One of the important research institute is Indian Institute of Horticulture Research. They are focusing on the mushroom cultivation practices. Here, these edible mushrooms are popularly known as boneless vegetarian meat and white vegetables. They morphologically they look like white crops, so people call white vegetables. Boneless vegetarian meat, nothing but people categorize into two groups: vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Boneless vegetarian meat, non-vegetarian people prefer to have chicken and mutton. Vegetarian people don't like mutton and chicken, so they prefer to eat mushrooms to compensate the food value and to in order to meet the balanced diet. Now, classification of white button mushroom. It belongs to the fungi, division Basidiomycota, class Basidiomystis. These Basidiomystis species having fruit bodies. Fruit bodies are edible. Most of the edible mushrooms belong to the Basidiomystis, order Agaricales, family Agaricaceae, genus Agaricus, species Bisporus. Binomial name is Agaricus bisporus. If you see the picture, button mushroom, morphologically they are impressive. It is a perfect stage, consuming stage button. When we allow for a few days, these buttons transform into umbrella shape. People won't prefer umbrella stage. Button mushroom stage is wonderful stage. People like to purchase at bottom stage, and also it retains food value at bottom stage. Nutrition value of the mushrooms, especially white button mushrooms, they consist ample amount of proteins, vitamins, fiber besides medicinal value. It contains 20 to 35% protein, higher than those of vegetables and fruits. They have high percent of amino acids and minerals. It contains little sugar and no cholesterol. Here, little sugar it favors to the diabetic patients. No cholesterol it also lowers the blood pressure. When the people suffering from the diabetes and heart related problem, they consume mushrooms. It acts as a nutraceutical. Instead of taking medicine, they prefer to eat mushrooms because these are alternate medicine to the diabetic and heart related patients. Mushroom possess bioactive compounds. They have anti-cancer property and improve gut related problems. In addition to that, they are antioxidants, they are anti-diabetic, they are anti-aging, they are anti-cancer, especially they are antimicrobial. They show antimicrobial property uh, against the microorganisms such as bacteria, fungus, virus also. So when we consume mushrooms, we can get rid of ailments, whatever the ailments, major ailments we can overcome by having mushrooms. Hence people prefer to eat mushrooms nowadays. It is a very fashion. When we visit malls, any supermarkets, they are selling packed mushrooms are selling. If you visit any hotels, mushrooms are making different varieties of foods by using mushrooms. Mushroom biryani, mushroom pizza, mushroom burger, mushroom soups. There are different varieties are available in the uh, hotel also. It adds some food value and people are interesting to take mushroom as a food because of its high nutritional value. Besides white button mushroom, we can notice other cultivated varieties. They are shiitake, oyster, wood ear, paddy straw mushrooms. Shiitake mushroom scientific name Lentinula edodis. Oyster mushroom Pleurotus austriatus. Wood ear Arcularia auriculajudae. Paddy straw Volvariella volvaceae. Shiitake mushroom. It is brown in color. Sometimes it looks like a poisonous mushroom. Usually, poisonous mushrooms are called toadstools, but people sometimes confuse while identifying the Shiitake mushrooms. It looks like a poisonous mushroom. Here, one should know everyone has some scientific awareness with regard to the identification of mushrooms because poisonous mushrooms may damage the uh, health system as well as it affect the what we call metabolism in human beings or animals while when knowingly or unknowingly consuming poisonous mushroom. Next, oyster mushroom Pleurotus austriatus. Next, wood ear. Here you can see wood ear mushroom grow on woods. uh, Mushroom appears like ear, so it called wood ear mushroom. Paddy straw mushroom Alvariella volvacea. It grows on paddy straw, hence the name is paddy straw mushroom. These are the most cultivated varieties across the world, especially India also. We are cultivating Shiitake, oyster, wood ear, paddy straw mushroom. Oyster mushrooms are very easy to cultivate. We can cultivate at our home also. It is highly preferable mushroom cultivating at our home. Coming to the poisonous mushrooms. Poisonous mushrooms are very dangerous. Unknowingly, we consume poisonous mushroom. Sometimes we may die. These are also known as toadstools. Some of the common poisonous species are Amanita phallides, Armillaria, Milia, Omplotus olearis. Amanita phallides are known as death cups. Here you see sometimes people are often misunderstood while identifying the mushrooms. It is very essential to identify whether which one is the edible, which one is not edible. Poisonous mushrooms are dangerous to the health. When uh, knowingly or unknowingly, when we consume poisonous mushroom, it affects kidneys, it affects liver, and other. It also cause various ailments when we consume. pinus mushrooms. Next, Armillaria amelia, it is known as honey mushroom. Third one, Omplotus olearius, jack o' lantern. It is a special property bioluminescence because it possesses luciferase enzyme. Because of this enzyme, it gives bioluminescency property. Here they are different, they are not at all edible, so people don't consume pinus mushroom. Next, method of cultivation. India produces 20,000 tons of mushroom annually due to improved agronomic practices. Cultivation requires technical skills, maintain optimum conditions such as temperature and humidity at every stage of mushroom growth. Here in India, not only India but also world, some of the institutions they are giving training to the farmers and needy people because uh, mushrooms cultivated at industrial level or home level, any large scale level, they are getting high incomes across the world. It is a proved factor. Hence, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research Institute providing technical skills to the needy people. So it improves the employability. So unemployment youth and unemployment women, they are learning and getting training from these institutions. They are giving best practices, recently established technologies and agronomic practices which improves the quality of mushrooms. Then eventually we can get more yields automatically. Farmers getting higher incomes through best practices methods. It is a good sign to the farmers to get best yields. So there are major steps, three major steps are involved in cultivating mushrooms: compost preparation, spawning, harvesting. Compost preparation, it is easy. Every year throughout India, agricultural wastes are dumping in dumping yard, and so that when we utilize these agricultural wastes like paddy straw, wheat straw, some grains husks, wood wastages, they act as a substrate. We can make a compost by maintaining aseptic conditions. So raw material is easily available. When we supposed to dump these agricultural waste, they may cause pollution, air pollution. And so to no need to purchase. With a little cost we can purchase compost material. Compost preparation is very easy. It needs some technical skills. Next, spawning. We cannot prepare spawn material. Laboratories are providing spawn. When we purchase best spawn material from the laboratory, we can get more yield. Here also there are different types of spawns. Some paddy straw, sometimes seed grains, sometimes many agricultural wastes uses for inoculation of seed material. These seed material inoculate into the suitable substrate, we can get better yield. So spawning is very important step. The last one is the harvesting. This is the last stage. Farmer should know the perfect stage or phase to harvest, to cut the flush plus crop. So when we cut or harvest perfect stage, we can market easily. So we are waiting for the perfect stage, then we cut and marketing. So people prefer to buy. Suppose we are discussing white button mushroom. When we cut button stage, we can get much profits. When we transform into umbrella stage, the economy will reduce due to the transforming stage. So better stage is necessary to cut the mushrooms. Here in this session, so far we discussed what are mushrooms, and especially white button mushroom, scientific classification. Next, food value, next some of the cultivated varieties, some of the finest varieties, and method of cultivation. So this class states that we know the overall view of mushroom cultivation. mushroom cultivation is the need of the hour, because the entire world, above 40 years, people are suffering from the diabetes and heart related problems. So when we consume mushrooms regularly, we can get rid of diabetes and heart related problem. First one. Next, for economy point of view, unemployment point of view, everyone can establish a small scale industries to produce mushroom in order to gain income. Third step is, we can have some scientific awareness to identify the edible mushroom and poisonous mushroom in forest area or any field area. So governments and other NGOs, as well as research institutes and other aware people, should give awareness to the people to overcome the malnutrition. Mushrooms are the best balanced diet, as well as it acts as a medicine. It is also a nutraceuticals. Instead of taking medicine, when we take nutrition through mushrooms, everyone will be happy. When people are happy, automatically they will be lead a better life without using any medicine. So with this I conclude an overall view of the mushroom, importance of mushroom, and peripheral view of mushroom cultivation. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.